Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instagram for influencer marketing step by step clearly. Begin by defining your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with influencer marketing. Consider if it's brand awareness, engagement, or sales. Next, identify your target audience. Research demographics, interests, and behaviors of your ideal customers. This will help you find the right influencers to collaborate with. Now, start searching for potential influencers. Use Instagram's search feature and explore hashtags relevant to your niche. Look for influencers who have a genuine connection with their audience. Analyze their engagement rates and authenticity. Once you've identified potential influencers, create a shortlist. Reach out to them with a personalized message. Be clear about your collaboration proposal and how it can benefit both parties. Discuss the type of content you'd like them to create. This could include posts, stories, or reels featuring your product or service. Set clear expectations regarding deadlines and deliverables. Establish a fair compensation structure for their work. This could be in the form of monetary payment or free products. After finalizing the collaboration, provide the influencer with your product. Make sure to share any key messaging you want them to convey. Encourage them to be authentic in their promotion. Monitor the influencer's posts once they are live. Engage with the content by liking and commenting to build rapport. Analyze the performance metrics of the campaign. Look at reach, impressions, and engagement rates. Evaluate how well your campaign met the initial goals you set. Collect feedback from the influencer about their experience. Use insights gained to refine your future influencer marketing strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.